yeah, we're just introducing the video. And that's our male friend who we're going to be making up. That's Callum.
Emily always texts me, look, like the first video.
Yeah, she texted her like the first video. Funny. So we're just going to make Callum look gorgeous. So first we just need to tie up his hair in kind of a pumpkin shape.
You're going to be a pineapple, right?
Oh yeah, what did I say, pumpkin? And then so it's just going to be like a very, very exotic look. Ladies love this.
Definitely.
So gorgeous and beautiful. Like an angel.
Look at his face.
I love his face there.
So funny.
He's a little diddle. I turned out so well. Look. Pineapple. La isla bonita. Yeah, so we're going to put foundation on for the flawless face. Natural collection, lovely foundation. So gorgeous. See the radiance just glowing off his skin. Okay, so then I'm just getting some face powder. Just make him stay gorgeous for way longer. While he just like feels the stomach. Obviously what you do when you get new foundation is you smell it.
Obviously.
And he forgot to close his eyes at first, which was funny.
That was very funny actually.
Only a tiny weeny amount. You don't want to cake it on at all. Which is not what Charlie is doing at all.
He kept like
Wink.
opening his eyes.
That was me being astounded by his radiance, by the way, because he was just so gorgeous.
You can't even see me.
Just see a hand.
Just my hand moving
It's
about.
like a still off the Addams Family.
I've never seen it.
Neither have I. I just heard about it. There's Phoebe's hand.
Hey!
So really with a blush, what you can do, you can either put it on the cheeks, which is the conventional way, or you can get the whole disease look if you put it all over, or you can get the chicken pox look, where you just put dabs of it, just in random blotches over your face. Yeah, I'm just explaining that now, which is quite weird, seeing as I just did that. That's me demonstrating the dabs.
So obvious that this is a voiceover.
It's meant to be.
I know.
There's Charlie!
Hey.
So I'm just doing some very, very subtle eyeliner for Callum. Now it's not important to have it matching, so you can just go for a different design on each side. That's what most people do. So we'll do a giant flick.
I don't know what I was saying.
I'm just going to draw on some cartoon eyebrows there nicely. And I think Callum's going for quite an angry, distressed look, so I'm going to draw some very angry eyebrows on him with eyeliner. I've got to make sure it's completely different to his hair colour. Shutting the door there. I'm going to fill his eyebrows a bit more. I'm going with some lip plumping gloss to give him the extra oomph.
And like after we finish the video goes, is it normal that my lips are burning?
Oh yeah, then Phoebe said it was like for half an hour and he just went, half an hour? How am I going to live? Well, so we're just going in for some eyeshadow, well, conventional eyeshadow. We're going to use it as nose paint.
And beard paint.
And beard paint.
Yeah.
This is Josh taking a photo because it was just so gorgeous. Unbelievable. So basically you just want to do little dabs down the side of the nose, like vertical lines, which will really make his nose stand out, which is his best feature. It just looks so gorgeous. Just doing a close up there for you guys. Can't really see the little lines, but there's loads of like I'm demonstrating here. That's eyeshadow by Bourjois. Smoky eyes. Then you just want to do the same to make a bit of stubble. That manly look.
Every now and again you just get my head popping into it and then I just disappear again.
So just putting on some highlighter as well, which Phoebe was just doing.
Oh, and then I get in the way of the camera for a
Then
minute.
giant
Sorry, guys.
black blob. The giant black blob. You're just doing some highlighter to make his cheekbones stand out. I'm doing some mascara, which again is really good because he's a very, very light blonde hair, so it makes sense that he should have dramatic dark lashes rather than natural lashes like some people might say would be good. Obviously I found something funny. No idea what.
Guys just shouting randomly through our voiceover.
Doing some mascara like a cool person. Pushing Phoebe out the way. She was in the way of the camera, it's allowed.
And Josh just pops into the video.
Sliding in and out. A nice close up just to show the gorgeousness. That gorgeousness? Is that a word? That is Callum. It's amazing.
Bye!